Stop jumping!
You can jump on it.
Trust me, it's just as much of a bounce house. Especially when your partner doesn't drive good.
Take the orange thing off.
Put that right here. A little heavy. Look up a little bit.
There we go.
Is it heavy, Papas? Let me see. Let me take a picture.
You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
There you go. So if you're ever sick, we go in here and we take all our band-aids. We got big band-aids, we got small band-aids, we got different kind of things for different kind of owies you got. And then if you're having trouble breathing, we hook you up to the oxygen here. You want to try turning it on?
Go turn it on.
Check it out. We got the radio back here, the lights.
Go, Gio, go.
Let's go this way.
The other way, the other way.
It's a little tight over here. Yeah, go this way.
Ay. Come on, Papas.
There you go.
Awesome. Come here.
Go, Papas.
You have your O2. So that's the oxygen. You feel the air?
Feel it, touch it.
See that?
So the air comes out.
And then look, this is your vacuum. So when you go to the dentist and they suction your mouth, this is what you do. Go ahead, put your
Touch
finger.
it.
You feel that? Oh. And then, have you ever heard somebody's heart before? No? You want to hear mom's heart? Yeah? All right, tell mom, come here, mom.
Oh, I thought we were going to hear your heart.
There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, awesome. There we go, buddy. Yeah. Here. You want to try these on? Let's see how these look. Oh.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, they look good, buddy.
Turn around, let me see. Turn around, let me. Oh.
Here. Awesome. Oh, yeah, buddy.
Right. So I hope you never have to go in an ambulance, but if you do, now you know what happens. We get you on the gurney, and we talk to the hospital, you say hello, hello. Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
I think they'll hear you if you're that close. And then the hospital comes back and they say, hello you, hi.
Say hi.
And then, you know, we get you to the hospital, we take you out, and then you get to go see the doctor.